Hi everyone, I hope you all safe and healthy with your family and friends. In this video, we are going to learn about 11th Standard Accountancy, Chapter 5, Trial Balance Exercise Sum Number 1. Before we are going to prepare the trial balance, we need to know what are the accounts are debit balance and what are the accounts are credit balance. Okay, let me see the debit balance accounts as assets, expenses and drawing will be debit balance, and credit balances are income or revenue, liabilities and capital will be credit balances. Okay, let me see the trial balance information. Prepare a trial balance with the following information. Purchases rupees 1 lakh. Purchases accounts are expenses. All expenses are debited. So, before we are going to prepare the trial balance, we need to prepare the format of the trial balance. Format contains 5 columns. The trial balance format contains 5 columns. There are serial number, name of account, LF, debit balance and credit balance. First one is purchases account. Purchases are expenses. All expenses are debited. So 1 lakh rupees we entered on debit balance. Then bank loan rupees 75,000. Bank loan is the liability. Liabilities will be credited. So bank loan rupees 75,000 will be credit balance. So we entered 75,000 on credit balance. Then debtors 1,50,000. Debtors are asset account. If asset account increases, we debited the asset account. So we return debtors 1,50,000 on debit balance. Then stock 35,000. Stock, whenever stock increases, asset also increases. Whenever asset increases, we debited the asset account. So stock 35,000 will be debit balance. Okay. Then sales 1,50,000. Sales is the income of the business or revenue of the business. So whenever revenue increases or income increases, we credited the sales account. So sales account 1,50,000 will be credited. So we entered 1,50,000 on credit balance. Then creditors 50,000. Creditors comes under credit balance. So creditors 50,000 will be entered on credit balance. So we entered 50,000 on credit balance for creditors. Then cash account 90,000. Cash is an asset. Whenever asset increases, we debited the asset account. So cash 90,000 rupees we entered on debit balance. Then capital 1 lakh rupees. Capital always credit balance. So capital 1 lakh rupees entered on credit balance. We entered all the given information related to trial balance entered on debit and credit balances of trial balance. What we do now? Now we are going to total on debit balance and credit balance separately. First we calculate debit balance total. How do we calculate? We add all the values of the debit balance. So for that 1 lakh rupees plus 1,50,000 rupees plus 35,000 plus 1,90,000 rupees, what we get? How much rupees we will get? We get 3,75,000 is the debit balance total. Then we go to find credit balance total. How do we calculate? We have to add all the credit balances values. So for that we add 75,000 plus 1,50,000 plus 50,000 plus 1 lakh rupees. What we get? How much rupees we will get? We got 3,75,000 is the credit balance for. Okay, so listen here. The debit balance total and credit balance total is always equal in the trial balance. So what is the answer given here? 3,75,000 answer given here. So we find 3,75,000 on debit balance and credit balance equally. This is the total for debit and credit balance of the trial balance. Do you have any doubt? Please comment it in the comment box. Thank you. Take care.